A very good evening to all of you. Guys, this is Pani Sogla in front of here. Today I'm going to tell you something about the importance of sports and game in life. As you know that sports and games are the physical activity of to build good strength and good health for everyone's. Like sports and games play a vital role in everyone's life. Like in mostly if I tell you about the students in today's era, like they are not that much active in the today's in taking part in the sports and games. Like I have seen many of the students who are wasting their time in indulging unnecessary activities like playing games on mobile phones and etc. Rather than playing the games, physical games, they are involved in the and they are indulged in the playing the mobile games, which is very bad for their body posture, even for their mental strength too. Like we see that we all know that the importance of games and sports in our life, that how much it is important for everyone to like sports give us a good strength, a good body posture, and it makes us active too. And we can see that sports and games are of various forms. Like we all know that the indoor and outdoor games. Like what I see that indoor games are essential to build a good relation and deeper relationship with our family relatives and friends. It like the chess is such a game which builds our mental strength and make us to enhance our IQ level too. And like other outdoor games like cricket, football, hockey, basketballs, these games are to help us physically strong, and even they help us mentally strong too. And they help us in building a teamwork, and to build a teamwork. Like without a teamwork, such games getting success in such games is impossible without the teamwork. And I think this is the best thing in sports, that it tells about the or it teaches about the how to build a relation with our co-partners, with our players who are playing with us, or who will help us to get this good results from the sports. Like we all know that the failure and success are the part of life, and there should be the healthy competition in the game, which is very good for all the sportsmen who are interested in sports. They should understand that healthy competition is must, because like we see that in today's era, like people, like they are indulging that much competition, like they forget the ethics of the games and other things, which is very essential in every sportsman, to have the ethics of the games and to work and play according to the rules. And I would tell you the many leading examples that who have glorified the name of our country in terms of sports and games, like Neeraj Chopra and the very cricketers of our India, like Virat Kohli, Rohit Sharma, and whatnot. And there are the many sportsmen who are glorifying our name of our country in the worldwide level, and they are presenting our India as a better sports country. Even in the last Olympic Games, we won many gold medals, and we proved to be the one of the best country who is good in sports. And I will tell you of my favorite sportsman example, who is Virat Kohli. He is the one of the highest paid athletes in the world. I think he ranks third, who gets the highest paid, who is paid as the highest amount as an athlete and sportsman also. So sports and games also give us opportunity to make our life comfortable and easy and get success too. So at last I would say that we should follow at least one games in our daily routines, so that we could be active and strength and make our body posture strong and healthy. Thank you.